Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to locate Utah vital record information. So to get started, visit utahpublicrecords.com and I will have a link in the description. Click on that or just type this into your browser. On the home page you will find a database. It's alphabetized of public records available, different public record databases available within the state of Utah. So not necessarily everything is going to be related to vital information, but you do have things like, for instance, genealogy. So if you're doing like family history research and that's why you're looking for vital records, there's an option here for you. But we do have a page created specifically for vital records. And the most sought after records have a specialized page. As you can see on top, there's one for background checks, criminal records. And if you hover over other records, you're going to notice there is a page here for vital records. So go ahead and click on that. And what you'll notice is you have something available at the state level, and then you have resources available at the county level. And we have provided an official government link for you here. Now, the difference is between getting your hands on an actual certificate versus information is quite large. Like for example, if you want to get a birth certificate, the only person that can gain access to that document would be the person it belongs to, parents, guardians, legal representatives. So if that's you, you can use one of these links here to contact an official department, maybe at the state level or in your county, and gain access to those certificates. If you're just part of the general public and you're looking for public vital record information, and what vital record information is, it's pretty much life's milestones: birth, death, marriage, divorce, things like that, just very major events in life. And so why might somebody need this type of information? Well, let's say somebody maybe is dating somebody and they would like to find out if they were ever divorced. There are many reasons why somebody might want this information, but this is just one example here. And so you can't necessarily get a certificate, but what you can do is you can use other public record databases to find this information. If you think about it, anytime somebody gets a divorce, they have to go see a judge. And when they see a judge, a court document is created, and depending on the situation, court documents are considered public records. So if I go to if I hover over other records again and click on court records, as you can see, you have quite a few different courts here, and they each serve their own purpose. So if it's a civil matter or domestic relations, you have the district court. And then another thing to consider is probate. For example, probate, anytime somebody passes away, you have a probate case. So if you find a probate record, that means the person died. You're not necessarily getting a certificate, but it's just information. So with that said, you also have another option, which is a private and public database at the same time. So what this does, it's a name search box on top of the page. So what this does is it doesn't just look at records within the state, it looks at records from multiple states. It pulls records in from, kind of gives you like a nationwide look into someone's public history, public record history. So for instance, if we stay on the same example, if you are looking for, say, divorce information, if a person might have gotten a divorce in Georgia or maybe in Washington and now they're living in Utah, if you're just looking at the county or the state level information, you're not necessarily going to see what happened in those other states. And so what this tool allows you to see is public information that they have available from different states. And then on top of that, there's also private databases, things like cell information, previous addresses, people potentially associated with them. So it's a great tool that you can use on top of the local resources that you have available to you in Utah. So with that said, come visit utahpublicrecords.com and get started on your Utah Vital Records information search. Thank you.